Okay, good afternoon. We're going to be using Packet Tracer, a program from Cisco, to learn how networks do their job without physically being at a network. So today we're going to observe packets across a network. We're going to use commands called ping and tracert to verify connectivity. Ping and tracert are two commands that you could use on your computer at home, as long as you sort of follow these directions and you don't make any changes, which is never a good idea unless you know what you're doing. So we come with a presupposed network setup with two computers. One is going to be our source and one is going to be our destination. And if you look, 192.168.1.2, which is O, PCO, right over here, and 192.168.3.2, these are on two different networks. So we have two networks wanting to talk. And then here in our network connection, here are our routers. Okay, and we click back so it looks a little bit more interesting here, so you can actually see.
Okay, so we have gotten this far. We're going to click PCO. Then we want desktop, and we have lots of commands here. The fourth one in, command prompt. The command prompt you can find on your computer. So you'd be doing this, you'd go into the search button, down start, and then that would be the button, or the, sorry, not button, the box here that you can do your searches in, you know, and find files. You would just hit CMD to get you to a command prompt. But we are going to ping 192.168.3.2. And as soon as it's all done typing, you can hit enter. Now remember, this is the address for that other computer. As sometimes happens with Cisco, the Packet Tracer program, we had one request time, which means that it was trying to send data and something wasn't ready. So a packet of information got lost. What that means is, like, if I was sending a song, trying to listen to a song, and some was lost, there might be a quick glitch where it didn't quite play right. So let's see if we can get that to do it correctly. 162 ping 168.32. I'm going to hit enter again. Oh wow! This time it just reply. We sent 4, and we received 4, and we lost. This type of thing happens all the time. One time you ping something and you miss something, and 5 seconds later you ping it again and it's fine.
Stay in the same command prompt, and I've shown you the ping, and now I want you trace
and it's actually trace route. I just like the sound of it. Said that. Trace 192.1.3.2. It's going to show us almost the same type of information, just sort of set up different. And it gives us more. I'd say that it does give us more. Okay, so first hop, it took 3 milliseconds. And it went 168.1.1. And these are those routers I showed you a moment ago. Router 1.1, 2.2. 4.2, and here this is 3.2. This is where I wanted it to get. Okay, so it had 3 hops, and then on it got to where it was going. I'm going to close window because now I'm going to show you something with this actually like running. Here's the simulation. We are going to add a simple PD, which is just a simple tracing. You see that out here that there is an envelope, and what they're saying, what they tried to model this after, so it was really easy for you to understand. It's like the postal service. So here's my paying my bills. Here's the place where I here. That's going to be the source. PCO is the source. Click PC1. See, we've got the closed envelope. Alright, now we're going to edit our first, and here, for some reason it hides this. We are editing see how they've just got tons of stuff that they want us to use, and we're not going to do that. We are going to show all or none. Uh-oh, there went our envelope. ICM. And here's our little envelope back. And we're doing just ICMP. We are going to expand the cloud so you can see. Okay, which is because what we actually want you to see, it doesn't matter about the computers. We know it'll get there because we pinged it. What I want you to see is this area here. Watch what happens. You could hit auto capture, play, capture forward. Speed it up a lot. My directions tell you to play auto capture and play, but I like capture forward because it's so much easier to see. Click capture forward. There you go. And we've opened this up this way. It's assuming that it's coming in or doing it so fast that it doesn't matter. Capture forward. Capture forward. And then it shows it coming out. Capture forward. It's back. There it goes. Now see, it's saying router 1, router 2. It's given names to that. What device was it at? It was at router 2. Now it's at router 1. And you could just keep doing this, sending this packet back and forth. You could even change this up if you were wanting to have a little bit of fun with this actual scenario. At another computer out here, and instead of pinging these two, you could ping this one and the one out here. So I hope this helped you. This is a very fun program to use to learn with. I hope you learned a great deal.